Okay, the main thing is when you give your science presentation, if you're in front of the class, you're at a science fair, the first thing you should do is obviously put it in a nice spot. And when people come up to you, introduce yourself, and introduce yourself as a presenter saying why, as a student, you understand the periodic table. You have your qualifications on this side, and on this side, you have your information. Now remember too that you want to stand in a place that's kind of to the side so people can freely come up and watch and understand what you're talking about. For instance, if you look at the first one here, what is an element? It'll tell you that. If you look here, it says, actually, what is the periodic table? And then you give who actually designed the periodic table, and then it goes into what is matter, meaning everything made in our universe. And that is something that's quite interesting to everybody, and it might make people think twice about using fertilizer, sketching using charcoal, cracking an egg in the morning. Everything